combination of a competitive global environment and mandatory regulatory compliance makes successfully managing your finances one of the biggest challenges. Epicor Financial Management offers a refreshing new approach to business, a suite of accounting applications built for the highly regulated SOX world, built around a series of global engines that support effective financial management and control everywhere. I'm going to walk you through a couple of important areas in our financial management functionality. Let's take a look at Epicor Financial Management. Within this functional area, you'll see modules such as asset management, accounts payable, accounts receivable, currency management, cash management, multi-site, general ledger, and a couple others. We'll spend most of our time within the general ledger area today. We'll look at the setup and configuration screens for that specific module itself and talk about things that we handle in there, such as being able to set up account allocations, account budgets, setting up segment values, coming in here and identifying automated booking rules. I can set up booking rules so that I can be posting into multiple ledgers or a single ledger accordingly. The chart of account structure within Epicor software will allow us to have a total of 200 characters within the chart of account structure, and I can also, as you look down here towards the bottom, set up recurring entries as well. Getting into the general operations side of things, let's take a look at doing a journal entry within the software. If I were to use a number here to identify my posting group that I'm working in, this is where I can come in and identify either a single book that I want to be posting into or a single ledger, if you will. One could be GAAP, one could be IFRS. I could have a number of different ledgers set up in the system that I want to be posting into. I also have the ability to post directly into all those multiple books at the same time. This is a user-definable process set up to you when you plan on making your journal entry. Once I've set up my header, I can come in and identify a journal entry itself, and I will just call this one Demo Example. And down here at the bottom, I have the ability of adding in lines and accounts and debits and credits. I also have a grid that would make information quicker and easier as well, and also allows me to take advantage of cutting and pasting out of outside applications like Microsoft Excel. Now in this scenario, I have lines, accounts, descriptions, debits, and credits. All I need to do to bring that data into Epicor is make sure that I am in the exact same format. So I'm going to pick description, which is referring to demo example, move it over to the right here, and now I have the same exact look and feel as I do over on my spreadsheet. Line, account, description, debit, and credit. I can right click on my mouse, insert that data in, and bring that journal entry right into the general ledger. I can come over to the detail tab. A couple other things worth pointing out. Being able to identify different currencies within a particular account as I'm making a transaction at the journal entry. I also have the ability of making multi-currency journal entry transactions as well. Being able to identify this says multi-company, coming in and picking a separate company that I want to now create a journal entry transaction against. These are just a couple of the examples of things that I could do within the general ledger within Epicor Financials.